This is worksheet 18.2, and we're going to start by looking at number 3, 6, and 12. And these are all based on the functions you were given in class, f of x, g of x, h of x, and k of x. So number 3, we're evaluating h of 1/2. This notation means 1/2 is the value of x, and you're evaluating this function when x is equal to 1/2. So h of 1/2 means we're substituting 1/2 in for x and raising it to the 6th power. So 1/2 to the 6th, that's the same as 1 to the 6th over 2 to the 6th. And then if we completely simplify that, 2 to the 6th is equal to 64. Going to number 6, we have a composition of functions. A composition means we're evaluating k of f of -8. So we're dealing with two different functions here. You're always going to evaluate the function that's inside first and then go to the one that's outside. So if we evaluate the f first, f of -8 is what we would get if we did cube root of and plug -8 in for x and then squared. So all of that, this is cube root of -8 is -2, and then if I square that, I get 4. So this whole thing, f of -8, we just showed that it's equal to 4. So now I need to go to the outside function, k, and I'm going to substitute what we just got for f of -8, which was 4, in place of it. So k of 4. Now I need to go to function k and evaluate when x is equal to 4. So that's 4 to the 3/2, which is the same as the square root of 4 cubed. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 cubed is 8. Now let's look at number 12. So similarly here we have a composition of functions, g of h of 3. So here we would have to evaluate the inside, the function h first. So if we look at function h, x to the 6, so that means I'm plugging 3 into the x, 3 to the 6th power. And whatever we get there, we're going to plug into function g. Before I evaluate that though, I'm just going to go and look at function g, because 3 to the 6th is a fairly large number. G is going to be 6th root of whatever this is equal to. So I'm just going to write that inside here. So I substituted 3 to the 6th in place of h of 3. So if I do 6th root of 3 to the 6th, if you change that to exponential form, that's actually 3 to the 6 over 6. So that's 3 to the 1st power, which is just 3. So in that case, we didn't really even have to figure out what 3 to the 6th was, because the 6th root basically just undid the 6th exponent.